As parents of 4 kids, regular renovators and adventure seekers, our laundry gets plenty of use in day-to-day life.
And because we work hard and play hard, we need laundry appliances that can keep up.
And that's where Hire comes in, with their commitment to provide inspired living with their latest laundry appliances.
In our laundry renovation, we selected the 10 kg front-loading washing machine and the 9 kg heat pump dryer. They're the perfect combination, made to match in their look and function.
They're not just pleasing to the eye, there is plenty to be pleased about with their impressive and innovative technologies.
Both the washer and dryer offer 14 different cycles for a whole variety of fabrics. They both have speed up cycles, so if you want your clothes washed or dried in a hurry, perfect. As well as our eco cycle to save energy and water.
The Hire appliances are made to care for your family and your fabrics. The front loader washing machine has a UV protect cycle, which effectively kills bacteria while using a temperature that is gentle on fabrics.
The dryer has a sanitized dry option that kills dust mites and bacteria for healthy and clean clothes.
A feature that I think is pretty cool is the plus garment option that lets you add forgotten items even when the wash cycle has started.
This dryer has advanced anti-tangling technology, which, as you guessed it, untangles your sheets and your clothes.
Pet peeve of mine.
And heat pump technology dries at a lower temperature, better for your fabrics, and also means you don't need to vent outside.
For anyone who loves fashion, taking care of your fabrics, or who just values cleanliness, Hire appliances are designed to take care of you.